So this is our front yard of our Hawaii hale, that's home in Hawaii, that we're staying in this month. The kids obviously love the pool area. I mean, I do too. It's so nice to sit out here and read books. And we can eat outside at this nice outdoor dining table. And the way that this house works, this is the main house. So I'll take you through here. Hey, hey, hi. Taking everybody on a house tour today. Just make sure you remove your shoes, please. But okay, this is the main area. There's a little desk workstation here. I was working there last night editing a video. But this is the family room area. And then big TV here. Walk into the eating area, dining area. We went to Target yesterday and stocked up on a bunch of crafts and activities and games for them. But I love that they can sit here and eat breakfast. Nice kitchen area. I made some teriyaki shish kebabs yesterday. This is like the main living area. Let's go over here. I'll show you my room first. So this is the master in the main house. So that's my master bed. I also have a little desk in here that I can work at as well. Both the desks have the view of the pool area, which is so nice. And closet for me is here. Kind of show you guys. It's got all my stuff hung up there. Packed pretty late. We only brought 2 suitcases. And then this is the master bathroom. So this is where I get ready, and Pedley likes to get ready in here too. There's like a lot of storage in here. So all the towels, I put like my smell good stuff here. There's a shower. And I really like too, it's all open air in here. So I don't know, it's like all balmy and breezy in here for getting ready. But that's my little space. And then you go down the hallway here, and this is the boys' bathroom. So this is their space. They've got a little shower area too. And another like storage area, which is nice. And then you walk down here, and then this is the kids' bedroom. Presley and Hey Hey have been sleeping in this room. They have a little TV in here for them too. Closet. And then when you walk outside, you go to the second area, the like guest house area. But before I show you guys the guest house area, I did just want to say we have the sweetest hostess. They left us such a nice welcome basket. These Maui style chips are like Landon's favorites. He's already eaten the one bag. We've only been here like a day and a half. These are my favorite. The Maui onion macadamias are so good. They left shortbread cookies and the guava jam and all the yummy candies. The kids have already dug into the strawberry sour belts. And these are my favorite though. I need to have these probably with a glass of apothic later. They're so good. More shortbread cookies, snack mix, but no, this is like so sweet and so thoughtful, and I just feel so at home when you like walk in and see this kind of thoughtfulness. So thank you so much for making us such a nice little welcome basket. But yeah, just to clarify, we're renting this house for the next month. It's actually the like minimum amount of days that you can rent a house, at least in like this part of Hawaii, is 30 days. So that's why we're here for a month, because I really wanted to be where we used to live so that the kids had access to see all their friends really, really easily. So that's why we're renting this and staying here for a month. All right, heading outside the back door. Got all of our shoes lined up here. It was nice they had that for us. Cute little signs too. A little chair out here. I'll take you fast to this garage storage laundry area. They have a bunch of beach stuff for us to use, which is awesome. I love that wagon to be able to cart everything to the beach really easy. It's like right down the street. And then there's coolers up there, washer and dryer. So very convenient. That's why I could pack really light for this trip, because I can do laundry. I think I've already done 2 loads of laundry since we got here. And then over here, there's a little lounge chair area and a nice little side yard. This is like so much space for Hawaii, honestly. This house is amazing. Okay, we can go in. This is the guest house. So that's like cute little decorative shelves they have there. But this is the little living area slash, there is a bed out here. And it has its own kitchen area that's just beautiful. I love the white countertops there. And then bathroom area in here, nice full bath, nice shower in here. And then there is another basically like second master out here, which when our friends come to stay and when Adam and his girlfriend come to stay, they can have their own little space here. Nice closet area here for them then too. And a bunch of storage there in the dressers, which is nice. So nice little setup for us. I'll take you back out to the front area here. Oh, it's just such like a perfect day. I wanted to show you how easy it is to get down to the beach from here. Okay, so I'm back out here. You guys want to say hi?
Hi. Hi.
Oh my gosh. The other thing I was going to mention that's been really convenient when we come from the beach, there's an outdoor shower, an outdoor foot shower too. So that's really nice, huh?
Hey, Mommy.
Hi, baby.
Yeah, you.
Love you. But yeah, this is our home sweet holiday for the next month. We are so, so happy to be here. I'm making a video, yeah, of a house tour. Well, YouTube. This is for YouTube. And back in this little area, I follow Hey Hey. We already have dug into this. It's like all the pool fun things. And there's a grill back here too, so we can grill out. So nice. Hi.
And hi. And this too, Mommy.
What?
And this too.
Yeah, the grill right there. So nice. And then if you go out this way, kind of takes you back around to the back entrance to the house here. Alright, I just got my flip-flops on and I'm going to walk you guys down to the beach so you can see like how easy it is to get down there from here. Alright, we're gonna take a fast walk down to the beach. Why what?
Why were there so many cars going by?
I don't know. There was a lot of cars, huh? All right, home sweet home. Yep. Well, I hope that you guys enjoyed this house tour. I'll definitely be doing more videos from here in Hawaii over the next month. So make sure you're subscribed. Bye, love.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know